Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to make a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help ISU Actuary. Here's a problem for May 27th, 2018 for exam LTAM. It's the last exam MLC, multiple choice section, problem number 5, exam from April 2018. An insurer issues a 3-year deferred whole life annuity due of $100 per year to an 80-year-old person. You are given that mortality follows the illustrative life table. F of k, comma k plus 1 is the k-year deferred 1-year forward rate, and then you are given the forward rate from time 0 to time 1 as 4%, from time 1 to time 2 as 4.5%, from time 2 to time 3 is 5%, from time 3 to time 4 is 5.5%, and for all times starting the end of the 4th year, so from time 4 on, in the future, all forward rates are 6%. So if you're looking into the future from that point in time, time 4 in the future, all interest rates are 6% all the time. And that's very important to note here that this is the interest rate used in the illustrative life table, so we can use annuity or life insurance single benefit premium values from the table, or actuarial present values of life annuity or life insurance from the table, but only from that point on, only from time 4. Before, interest rates are different, and we have to be careful in the calculation. And our job is to calculate the expected present value of the annuity. And again, note that it's a 3-year deferred, so it's deferred by 3 years, and then it's a whole life annuity due, which means that it starts at time 3 with a payment of 1 at time 3 if the person is alive. And here's the solution. So as I said, all the rates starting in the beginning of year 4 are 6%, and we can use mortality table, illustrative mortality table from that point on. Now the annuity is deferred by 3 years, and we will therefore need the value of 3-year pure endowment for discounting payments from time 3 on, with that factor of 3E80 as actuarial discount factor from time 3 to time 0. Well, it's equal to the probability of survival of 3 years, so 3P80 divided by 1 plus the forward rate from time 0 to time 1, times 1 plus the forward rate from time 1 to time 2, times 1 plus the forward rate from time 2 to time 3. And that probability of survival is L83 over L80, and the rates are 4, 4.5, and 5%, so this becomes L83 over L80 times 1.04 times 1.045 times 1.05. And from the illustrative life table, L83 is 2970496, and L80 is 3914365. We plug them in, and we get this value to be approximately 0.66501,084. On the other hand, since after 4 years interest rates become 6%, we can use illustrative life table values beyond 4 years. And if we want the annuity due starting at age 83, well, that will be 1 plus the probability of survival over 1 year, divided by 1 plus the forward rate from time 3 to time 4, times A double dot 84. But for A.84, we can already use the illustrative life table value of life annuity, and A.84 in the table is 4.9282. The F34 rate is 5.5%, so we plug that in. And P83, well, we can either take L84 over L83, but since the probability of dying within a year is given in the table in the form of 1000 times Q, we can just read 1000 Q83 from the table, which is 104.28, divided by 1000 to get Q83, and 1 minus Q83 is P83, so that's a little bit simpler calculation. Either way it works. And then plug it in and do the calculation. This comes out to be about 5.18415858, and the annuity, the expected present value of the annuity that we're looking for is 1000 times 3E80 times A.83, so it's approximately 100 times 0.66501.084 times 5.18415858, and it comes out to be approximately 344.7522, and that's approximately 345, which is answer C. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself comes from the Society of Actuaries from the last exam MLC, but the solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.